Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Bharat, where gods and mortals often intertwined, there was a divine child named Hanuman. Born to Anjana, a celestial being, and Kisri, a mighty Vanara, monkey-like being, Hanuman was blessed with extraordinary powers. However, his most remarkable trait was his devotion to Lord Rama, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Let us journey into the tale of how Hanuman, despite his incredible abilities, came to forget them as a child, only to be reminded of his greatness by the wise Jambavan. The marvelous child. Hanuman was no ordinary child. From the moment he was born, he exhibited signs of divinity. Blessed by Lord Shiva, Hanuman possessed immense strength, the ability to change his size at will, and unmatched agility. His name, Hanuman, derives from the Sanskrit words Hanu, meaning jaw, and man, meaning prominent, referencing his strong jawbone, a symbol of resilience. As a playful and curious child, Hanuman's adventures often amazed and alarmed those around him. One day, mistaking the rising sun for a delicious fruit, young Hanuman leaped into the sky to grab it. His flight startled the celestial beings, and Indra, the king of the heavens, struck Hanuman with his thunderbolt, Vajra, to stop him. The blow knocked Hanuman unconscious, leaving a dent in his jaw. The curse of forgetfulness. Furious over the harm done to her son, Anjana prayed to the gods for justice. Realizing their error, the gods granted Hanuman numerous boons, making him invincible, powerful, and immune to most weapons. However, his mischievous antics grew troublesome. To prevent him from causing further chaos, sages placed a gentle curse on Hanuman. They decreed that he would forget his powers until someone reminded him of them in a time of great need. The role of Jambavan. Years later, Hanuman's destiny brought him to the service of Lord Rama during the quest to rescue Rama's wife, Sita, who had been abducted by the demon king Ravana. When Rama's army reached the southern coast of India, they faced the vast ocean separating them from Lanka, where Sita was held captive. It was a moment of despair, for crossing the ocean seemed impossible. Among Rama's allies was Jambavan, an elder statesman among the Vanaras and a wise bear. Jambavan, whose name means Lord of the Bears, was known for his wisdom and calm demeanor. Recognizing Hanuman's latent potential, Jambavan approached him and spoke with gentle encouragement. Hanuman, Jambavan said, "You are no ordinary being. The gods themselves have blessed you with strength and agility beyond imagination. You have within you the power to leap across this ocean and accomplish what no one else can. Remember your true self, for it is time to fulfill your destiny." Jambavan's words stirred something deep within Hanuman. The hedge of forgetfulness lifted, and he felt a surge of divine energy course through him. With newfound clarity and determination, Hanuman grew to an enormous size, ready to undertake the monumental leap. The heroic leap. With the blessings of Lord Rama and the cheers of his companions, Hanuman took a mighty leap across the ocean. The journey was not without challenges. Demons tried to thwart his mission, But Hanuman's courage and resourcefulness prevailed. Reaching Lanka, he discovered Sita in Ravana's Ashoka Grove and reassured her of Rama's impending rescue. Thus began Hanuman's legendary role in the Ramayana, earning him the title Mahavir, the great hero. Impact on Indian society. Hanuman's story resonates deeply in Indian culture, symbolizing strength, devotion, and humility. Temples dedicated to Hanuman are found throughout India, and his image inspires millions to overcome obstacles with courage and faith. The Hanuman Chalisa, a 40-verse hymn, is recited daily by devotees seeking his blessings. Meaning of the names. Hanuman refers to his strong jaw and resilience. Anjaneya, son of Anjana, highlighting his divine parentage. Maruti, son of the wind god Vayu, symbolizing swiftness and vitality. Mahavir, the great hero, honoring his bravery. Bajrangbali, one with limbs as strong as a thunderbolt, emphasizing his strength. Conclusion. The tale of Hanuman forgetting and rediscovering his powers teaches us the importance of self-awareness and guidance. Even the mightiest can sometimes need a gentle reminder of their potential. As we reflect on Hanuman's journey, let us find inspiration to face life's challenges with unwavering determination and faith. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Dharma Sanatana, for more such enlightening tales. Let's keep the flame of our rich heritage alive and pass these timeless lessons to future generations.